हेलो हेलो। तो मैं आ गया हूँ फिर से। मैंने बोला था मैं फ्राइडे को आऊँगा, तो वही फिर से आ गया हूँ। तो चलिए अभी मैं रीड करता हूँ द बिग कार रेस, रिटन बाय राजदीप विश्वास, मतलब मैं। In our school, there was a inter-school big car race competition. In that race, we have to bring a big toy car where we can sit. So in the day of the race, 33 students are not present because they do not find the big toy car in the market. The students were so excited that they were not sleep that night. The race started by 1, 2, 3. Then go. The race started. The students said that when Kavesh will start, then we will also start. Then Kavesh set the speed in 100. The students tried again and again, but the students seen that there was no finishing point near V. And then the students of Club Mandal School's Class V seen that Kavish of View Biswas School's Class IV student win. Ultimately, Kavish wins. The teachers are proud of Kavish. Written by Rajdeep Biswas. तो चलिए ये हुआ स्टोरी का कंप्लीट, और मैं इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे भेज दूंगा वो अपना ये स्टोरी का पिक्चर। तो चलिए टाटा, गुड बाय, सी यू सैटरडे, है नहीं? ठीक है, टाटा।